tilt the engine up to the trailering position. Next, turn the outboard so the drain hole is facing downward. Remove the drain plug and drain the engine oil into an appropriate container. Once the oil is completely drained, lubricate the seal on the drain plug with oil and reinstall. At this point, we will change the oil filter. To do this, place a rag or towel below the oil filter to absorb any spilled oil. Unscrew the old filter by turning the filter to the left. Clean the mounting base. Apply a small layer of clean oil to the filter gasket. Do not use grease. Screw the new filter on until the gasket contacts the base. Then tighten 3/4 to 1 turn. Then remove the oil fill cap and add oil to the proper operating level. For exact information on recommended engine oil and oil capacity, reference your owner's manual or maintenance decal on your engine. Finally, with adequate water supply, idle the engine for 5 minutes and check for leaks. Stop the engine and check the oil level on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. To find out more information on changing engine oil on 40 through 60 horsepower Mercury outboards, refer to a Mercury owner's manual or visit Mercury Outboards. Click on the Dealer Locator tab.